Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Temu app crashing on phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix Temu app crashing on your phone, we can try out 3 or 4 fixes. In order to proceed, first we'll be required to open the settings of our phone. So let's open up the settings on our phone. And after opening the settings of your phone, guys, scroll down and until you can find the apps option over here just above the location. Tap on apps and land over here. Again, tap on the tab management at the top of the screen, and when you land over here again at the search bar at the top of the screen, tap over there and search for Temu and open up the Temu app on this interface where you land over here. And after landing over here again, tap on the storage usage just below data usage. Tap on storage usage, and over here guys you can see the cache memory and the data memory available for us guys. Now in order to fix your Temu app crashing on phone, first make sure to clear cache of the Temu app on your phone. And after clearing the cache of the Temu app guys, reopen your Temu app either to view is your Temu app fixed or not. And with that being done guys, after clearing the cache of your Temu app, it's still not functioning properly or if it's still crashing, open up the Play Store on your phone and search either the Temu apps requires an update on your phone or not. To do that, tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and tap on the search bar at the top of the screen again and search for Temu over here, and let's search for it. And when you search for Temu guys, if there is an update required for the Temu app, there will be the update button available for us instead of the open. In your case, if there's an update button available for us, tap on the update button. And with that being done guys, with that 2 fixes done, again check your Temu app either it's fixed or not. And with that being done, if it's still not fixed guys, then go back to the settings page which you had just opened over here. And you can see guys, we had cleared the cache a moment ago over here. Now in order to proceed from over here, you can see the clear data button over here. But if you clear your data, all of your account and your login credentials on Temu will be wiped out. So before you proceed, if your app is really crashing, then tap on the clear data button and all of the data on the Temu will be wiped out and it will start like new, where you will be required to start from the fresh Temu app, again signing into the account. Try the third option guys, but after trying the third option it's still not fixed guys, then try uninstalling the Temu app on your phone and reinstalling it from the Play Store. Sometimes guys, many of the bugs enter with the Temu app, so if you uninstall and install it, your Temu app will be fixed on your phone. And that being said guys, these are some of the fixes which you can apply to fix your Temu app crashing. And there guys, this is how to fix Temu app crashing on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.